Number 1. 1988 Dodge Ram 50 Project Daily Driver, $2,000. Greeley, Colorado. This 1988 Dodge Ram 50 is a rare survivor in the compact truck world, also known as the Power Ram or Mitsubishi Mighty Max. It features a rebuilt 2.4 or 2.6-liter four-cylinder, paired with a manual 4-on-the-floor transmission. Equipped with a Weber carburetor conversion, it trades convenience for simplicity with no automatic choke. The truck offers four-wheel drive with auto-locking hubs, though the system currently will not engage, likely a minor linkage or vacuum issue. With 216,484 miles and a clean title, it remains a budget-friendly project or rugged daily driver for someone who appreciates compact 1980s work trucks. Number 2. 1987 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat 6.9 diesel, $4,800, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1987 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat is an appealing heavy-duty pickup featuring the durable 6.9-liter International Harvester diesel engine. The odometer has rolled over, but these engines are known for extremely long service life. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, extended cab, bucket seats, and even a vegetable oil system, this truck offers both utility and uniqueness. A receiver hitch and gooseneck setup add towing capacity. It runs and drives, making it a strong value buy for those wanting an older diesel workhorse. Number 3. 1982 Ford F-150 Long Box 4.9 and C6 transmission, $6,000, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. This 1982 Ford F-150 Long Bed is a well-preserved daily driver powered by the legendary 300 straight-six engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Showing 96,000 miles, it delivers smooth, quiet, and strong performance. Nearly every mechanical component has been refreshed, including hoses, gaskets, belts, brake system, front-end parts, shocks, and fluids. The truck retains mint original glass and fully functioning accessories, including cruise control achieving about 15 mpg at highway speeds. With a Class 3 receiver and high bed load capacity, this is a remarkably maintained early 1980s work truck ready for continued use. Number 4. 1988 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat 4x4 Super Cab, $13,500, Castle Rock, Washington. This 1988 Ford F-250 XLT Lariat Super Cab is a well-cared-for 4x4 equipped with a powerful fuel-injected 460 V8 and automatic transmission. With 164,000 miles and an exceptionally straight body showing no rust or dents, it's a standout from the era. It includes a nearly unused DK2 snowplow, lumber rack, Protect toolbox, dual fuel tanks, running boards, and 2 sets of tire chains. The braking system has been recently rebuilt front and rear. With all factory equipment functioning correctly, this truck is turnkey and ready for heavy work or classic truck enjoyment. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet Dually Pickup, $14,100, Plattsmouth, Nebraska. This 1982 Chevrolet Dually Pickup is a big block, 4-speed brute built for towing and heavy-duty use, showing 29,000 miles on the odometer. Unverified but extremely low for its age, it includes power steering, power brakes, electric trailer brake setup, and an 8-foot bed with a locking toolbox. Recent maintenance includes new front tires, a battery, tune-up, and interior carpeting. The air conditioning does not function, but the truck runs strong, loud, and confident. Exactly what enthusiasts expect from a square-body dually. Number 6. 1964 Ford F250 4x4 manual shift. $13,500, Shingle Springs, California. This 1964 Ford F250 4x4 is a highly unique, long-loved classic with a rebuilt title due to a verified frame and component swap decades ago. It retains its original 352 V8 from 1965 and features power steering, upgraded mid-1970s highboy axles, and 1-ton leaf springs, giving it exceptional strength. The truck includes a heavy front hitch, a 12,000-pound worn winch, and large off-road tires, weather-cracked but included. With 24,910 miles on a rolled-over odometer, it runs and drives impressively for a 60-year-old truck with fully functioning gauges and lights, a true vintage workhorse. Number 7. 1965 Chevrolet El Camino, $14,065, Vancouver, Washington. This 1965 Chevrolet El Camino is a classic car-truck hybrid powered by a 283 cubic inch V8 paired with a Power Glide automatic. With 88,000 miles and a clean title, it runs strong and presents well in blue. As a mid-1960s Chevrolet, it offers rising collectability and a stylish profile. The vehicle appears largely original and provides a solid foundation for cruising or light restoration. Number 8. 1938 Plymouth PT57 half-ton pickup, $14,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1938 Plymouth PT57 is a rare pre-war half-ton truck, one of roughly 5,434 units built, with far fewer surviving today. It features a freshly overhauled 217 cubic inch flathead 6 from a 1950 Plymouth, mated to a standard 3-speed transmission. With a 116-inch wheelbase, solid Western sheet metal, and original interior components, it retains historical authenticity. Some glass is cracked and certain gauges are inoperative, typical for the era. The inclusion of the original tailgate adds significant value. With only about 19 examples sold at auction in the last 5 years, this is a genuinely scarce collector piece. Number 9. 1990 Mazda B2200, $700, Walla, Washington. Offered as a bargain project, this 1990 Mazda B2200 has a locked-up 4-cylinder engine that unexpectedly froze despite having oil. The truck does, however, have a straight body, clean title, and excellent tires, making it a potential candidate for an engine replacement. The B-Series trucks are known for their simple construction and durability, making this a feasible rescue for an enthusiast seeking a cheap and straightforward project. Number 10. 1964 Ford F100, $6,200, Poway, California. This 1964 Ford F100 long bed is a running and driving classic with a floor-shift manual transmission. Finished in white with added red stripes, it presents with notable rust, especially on the roof, though the interior remains in very good condition. showing 21,000 miles on the dashboard, unverified. It has mostly sat in a garage over the past year. As a mid-60s Ford truck, it offers timeless styling and a workable starting point for someone wanting a vintage driver or a restoration candidate. Number 11. 1987 Ford F250, $5,000, Fruita, Colorado. This 1987 Ford F250 is a low-mileage work truck powered by the robust 7.5-liter 460 V8, paired with a manual transmission and four-wheel drive. Formerly a Routt County Department of Transportation plow truck, it still includes the hydraulics and controls, though the blade has been removed. It features an 8-foot bed and a clean title. Optional extras include the original front bumper and a spare set of wheels with summer tires. A strong, heavy-duty machine, ideal for work or restoration. Number 12. 1988 Toyota Pickup 4x4, $6,300. Central Point, Oregon. This 1988 Toyota Pickup 4x4 is a solid mechanical survivor known for durability. With approximately 200,000 miles, it features a 5-speed manual transmission, a 3-inch lift, new shocks, and extensive recent maintenance, including timing belt, plugs, wires, water pump, fuel pump, and battery. The truck drives well on the freeway and has a clean title. It will come with stock-sized tires instead of the pictured 35-inch setup. As a late 1980s Toyota, it remains one of the most reliable and desirable compact 4x4s ever made. Number 13. 1981 Ford F100 XLT Ranger, $8,000, San Jose, California. This 1981 Ford F100 XLT Ranger is a fully restored flare-side model powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 12,000 miles on the odometer, it runs excellently and presents as a clean, finished build. With a smog check in hand and a clean title, it is ready for immediate use. This body style and trim combination are increasingly collectible, making this example an appealing vintage truck buy.